All right, let's find the pH of a buffer solution that's 0.818 molar acetic acid with a Ka of 1.76 times 10 to the minus 5 and 0.172 molar sodium acetate. So using the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH equals pKa plus the log of the base concentration over the acid concentration. So pKa is the negative log of the Ka. So negative log of 1.76 times 10 to the minus 5 plus the log of base over acid. So the base is the sodium acetate, 0.172, over the acid, 0.818. Okay. Put that into a calculator and you get 4.077, which is answer choice A.